Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sherlyn. Welcome to Sherlyn on Food Etc. I'm going to cook something today that's from my garden, which is this red cabbage, and I have a perfect recipe for this. It's really easy, and so let's go start cooking. For this recipe, our main ingredient would be our red cabbage. We have red onion, 3 garlic cloves, and some pork belly or bacon. You can use bacon. Of course, salt and black pepper for seasoning. So I'm cutting my meat in small little pieces. Just like that. So we're going to chop our red cabbage. We'll remove the hard core or the hard part of the cabbage. We don't need that. So we can shred this. It cooks faster if you have it shred than big pieces, big slices. Because cabbage is a little bit hard, so when we try to cook this, we can shred it as much smaller size as we can. Guys, we're done chopping our cabbage, our red cabbage. Now we can put some water into this and boil this for at least 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, just need enough to submerge the whole cabbage, and that should be good. And then let's go boil it. Let's also add a tablespoon salt, and we can also add our cut up pork belly, so it will cook at the same time as cabbage. So while we are waiting for our cabbage to cook through, we can go ahead and chop our onion and our garlic. Aside from onion and garlic, we also need a tablespoon of brown sugar or white sugar and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Okay guys, our red cabbage is fully cooked. I've been boiling this for around 45 minutes. Same thing with the meat, it's nice and tender. So we're gonna take out a little bit of the juice and fry it with our rest of our ingredients, which is the onion and garlic, and that will be done. So our preheated pan, we're going to add at least maybe around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. We can add in our garlic and onion. Let's cook this around 3 minutes or 5 to 5 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes is up. I think the onion should be good for now. Now we can add our cooked cabbage. And our red sugar. Mix it up. We'll season some extra salt. Freshly ground black pepper. We'll let this go for another 2 to 3 minutes and then cabbage is ready.